This way, you can save your pillows from tearing in the dryer. Regularly washing the pillowcase isn't enough to prevent dirt and bacteria from accumulating. It's important to wash the pillows themselves often. This removes dirt, oils, and dust mite residues. I'll show you how to wash your pillows without damaging them. Wash 2 pillows at a time to keep the washing machine balanced. Set the wash cycle to gentle and the water temperature to about 40 degrees Celsius. You don't need to remove the filling to wash your pillows. The foam in the pillows harbors the most bacteria, so to wash them without clumping together, add a few ping-pong balls. This allows the pillows to move freely, and the ping-pong balls will help gently remove dust from them. Since the balls are lightweight, they will create the right amount of washing foam, which is important for effective cleaning. I discovered a genius trick that will transform your washing machine. The results will surprise you. It's simple, cheap, and works every time. Grab some kitchen sponges. The more, the better. Make holes in the middle of each one. I use a soldering iron, but you can also use a knife or a skewer. Thread the sponges onto a string and secure the end so they don't fall off. It's an easy and eco-friendly solution that requires minimal effort. Place them in the washing machine and pour plenty of lemon juice over them. Run the machine without detergent and watch the magic happen. Lemon has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes bad odors. This trick will dissolve dirt and residue, causing bad smells. Not only will your washing machine be refreshed, but the rubber seals will also be cleaned. You'll love how fresh and clean your machine smells afterward. After the cycle, your machine will smell fresh and clean. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself. My neighbor used to put them in the washing machine to prevent unpleasant odors when guests were coming over, but you don't need to stuff the machine with them. There's a better way to get rid of bad smells and grime. In the washing machine drawer, residues from laundry detergents accumulate, leading to bacteria and mold that cause bad odors. Even large amounts of fragrant liquids won't mask it, which is why your laundry may smell bad after washing. Here's how to fix it. Remove the drawer from the washing machine and place it in a deep container or sink. Take a dishwasher tablet and a toothbrush. Dissolve the tablet in hot water and start scrubbing. Dishwasher tablets contain ingredients that effectively remove dirt and mineral deposits. If the drawer is very dirty, let it soak longer. However, the tablets work quickly to clean away grime. Once cleaned, put the drawer back in place, and you're done. Your washing machine and laundry will smell fresh. Each drawer in a washing machine has 3 compartments, but not everyone knows what they are for. One mistake can affect your laundry. If you use detergent pods, you might not use the detergent drawer at all. So, take a look at the drawer in your washing machine. Do you know which compartment is for what? There are always 2 compartments with lines and 1 compartment with a flower symbol. These lines are the Roman numerals 1 and 2. The compartment with the number 1 is for the pre-wash detergent. Most people never use the pre-wash cycle, so they don't use this compartment. The compartment with the flower is for fabric softener. If you use fabric softener, you pour it in here. Compartment number 2 is for the main wash detergent. This is where you pour liquid detergent or put in powder. It has an additional feature that makes it easier to use different types of detergent. More and more often, it has a small compartment that is movable. When you use powder detergent, the compartment should be raised. If you want to pour in liquid detergent, then this compartment should close off the part with the liquid. This way, the liquid won't spill out of the washing machine if the drawer is pulled out too far. Each compartment, therefore, has a specific use. Take a look at your washing machine and check if you are using the compartments in its drawer correctly. Take a stocking and put it on your hand. This trick will ensure that you never again have damaged clothes after taking them out of the washing machine. If your clothes have pulled threads after washing, you're probably wondering what's causing it. Often, you don't remember if the threads were pulled before washing. You don't know if the washing machine is damaging and tearing your clothes. So, you're afraid to wash delicate clothes and sweaters in the machine to avoid damaging them. Lace lingerie, tablecloths, and curtains are precious to you? Are you even worried about stockings? Maybe you've already started washing all these things by hand, and it's wasting a lot of your time. However, pulled threads on clothes often make them no longer wearable. They can't always be repaired, so you'll simply have to throw away items that get snagged. That's why it's always good to have stockings on hand. You'll quickly find that the problem of pulled threads disappears. Take some stockings that you no longer wear. I never throw such stockings away. I use them for many things. For example, I'll show you a simple trick now. Put the stocking on your hand. It must not be torn. It must be intact. Do this before putting clothes into the washing machine. With the stocking on your hand, wipe the edge of the drum. Rub the entire drum with the stocking. Thoroughly wipe every nook and cranny of the drum, including those edges inside the drum. Now, check the stocking. If it's intact, nothing has snagged it, it means your washing machine is working correctly. It's not the one damaging your clothes. If there are runs on the stockings, you'd quickly locate the place responsible for the holes and pulled threads in clothes. Did you know this trick? Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Throw ice into the dryer, and wrinkles on clothes will disappear. This trick will be loved by people who hate ironing clothes. When your clothes have visible wrinkles, you can address this issue easily and without using an iron. Ironing clothes is a hassle and a waste of time for many people. They just don't want to take out the ironing board and turn on the iron. But if you have a dryer or a washer-dryer at home, you're in luck. Take your wrinkled clothes with visible creases. They often appear if we keep folded clothes in the closet instead of hanging them on hangers. Sometimes wrinkles appear if we don't take out the dry laundry immediately. Put 3 to 5 such items into the drum. Add a handful of ice cubes. Start the drying cycle for about 15 minutes. During this time, the moisture from the ice cubes will eliminate wrinkles while the dryer is working. Clothes will be smooth without ironing. Depending on the fabric, you'll see the effect immediately after taking them out of the dryer. Just 10 or 15 minutes is often enough for the dryer to iron your clothes for you, all thanks to a few ice cubes. I clean the washing machine regularly. Dirt and limescale disappear. The washing machine is clean, and the laundry always smells fresh. Apply toothpaste to the inner glass of the door. Take half a lemon and spread the paste. Do this especially at the edges, where residue from water and detergents often accumulates. Once you've cleaned the entire glass, toss the lemon into the washing machine drum. Now, focus on the door seal in the washing machine. This is the area where most dirt accumulates and mold. Sprinkle this area with baking soda. It will remove dirt, mold spores, and eliminate unpleasant odors. After doing this, close the washing machine. Open the detergent drawer and spray it with vinegar, all compartments. Vinegar removes limescale, detergent, residue, and mold. If you clean the washing machine irregularly, mold will never appear. Close the drawer and run the washing machine on a standard program. Toothpaste, lemon, baking soda, and vinegar will clean the interior of the washing machine and eliminate deposits and limescale. These ingredients also eliminate mold spores, which may be responsible for the unpleasant odor coming from the washing machine. When the washing machine finishes, open it and remove the lemon. You'll immediately notice that the entire interior shines. Wipe it dry, and it will be cleaner than ever. The detergent drawer will also be cleaner. During the next laundry cycle, you'll notice that your clothes will smell wonderfully. You don't have to worry about the smell of mustiness and mold.